I'm going to guide you through the process of resetting your password on CoinMarketCap. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to enhance your security, these easy steps will help you reset it seamlessly. To begin, make sure you have access to your email and a stable internet connection. This process will take just a few minutes. First, head over to the CoinMarketCap website. It's your go-to place for all things cryptocurrency, so it should be pretty familiar. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. If you scroll down slightly, just under the password box, you'll see a link that says, Forgot Password. Click on that link and it will redirect you to a new page with the title, Forgot Your Password. It's reassuring to see that CoinMarketCap provides a straightforward way to recover your account access without much hassle. On this page, you'll notice a box inviting you to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the email address that's linked to your CoinMarketCap account. This is crucial because the reset instructions will be sent to this email. Once you've entered your email, click on the button that says, Send Instructions. Now it's time to shift your focus to your email inbox. You should receive a message from CoinMarketCap shortly after you click Send. If it's not there right away, try refreshing your inbox or checking your spam or junk folder, just in case it ended up there. Upon locating the email, open it and you'll find a link to reset your password. Click on that link, which will direct you to the password reset page. This page is where you'll choose a new password. Choose a new password. Select something secure that you'll remember, but isn't easy for others to guess. You'll need to enter it twice, once in the new password field, and then again in the confirm password field, to make sure there are no typos. After you've double-checked both entries, and you're confident with your new password choice, click Save or Reset Password, whatever option is available, to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your password on CoinMarketCap. Thanks for following along. Remember to keep your password secure and consider using a password manager for extra safety. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a like or share with someone who might benefit from it. Have a great day navigating the world of cryptocurrency securely.